Good morning guys, and in front of me is TCL 605, and let me show you how to activate developer options. So at first open the settings, then from main settings list select system, and as you can see there is no developer options. To activate them, scroll back to the top of the list, enter my device. Now go to bottom of the list where you'll find build number. Tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, from now on you are a developer. Just tap on OK to allow them. If you do have some kind of lock screen, password, pin code, whatever, you will have to provide it before it is unlocked. And now let's check system again. As you can see, from now on developer options are right here. Click to open and use them however you like. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.